This will be a camera test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the iPhone XS Max, and also a little bit of the Pixel 3 XL. So I went out, took a bunch of pictures with all of these cameras, rear facing, front facing, took some video, daytime shots, nighttime shots, indoor lighting, low light. Let's take a look at some pictures right now. Let's go. Alright, so this is just a video test of the Galaxy S10 Plus versus the iPhone XS Max. So let me know, right now you're hearing the audio from the S10 Plus, as there's this bus right here. And now I'm going to switch to the audio of the iPhone. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Which audio sounds better? Now going back to the Galaxy S10 Plus audio. It's a beautiful sunny day today in Albany, California. Let's have a look at the sun right now. If I can see, there it is. Wow, that's super bright. Probably shouldn't have done that. It's all good. So I'm gonna walk kind of fast. Alright, so that was just more of a fast walk. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of a jog. There you go. Now the cool thing about the S10 Plus is it has a super stable mode, but it only films in 1080p, which I believe it uses the wide angle zoom lens and crops in. So let's test that out right now. Alright, now here's both phones. I have the Super Steady on the S10 Plus, and I have the iPhone on just 1080p. So I'm gonna go for a little bit of a run right now, and let me know the stabilization on both. Alright, let me know what you think. Alright, here's just some front-facing video. Just have the camera pointed away. Let me know what you guys think of the quality. Up in the sky. using the Galaxy S10 again. Now switching over to the Pixel. Let me know if the audio quality, which one you think is better. Just going through a walk right here. Flip around. I'm gonna walk kind of fast. I'm gonna zoom into this pole. Out. Zoom. Out. Let me know if the autofocus. So this is a video of the S10 Plus versus the iPhone XS Max at night. Both are recording in 4K, 60 frames per second. So I'm just out here. It's kind of cold right now, but as you can see, check out that view. So let me know if the quality on either camera. So you got this car right here. Walk this way. And let's take a look at this view. Beautiful out here. A little cold, but now on the viewfinder, there's a lot more noise on the S10 Plus. Looks cleaner on the screen of the iPhone XS Max, but that may not be the case when I actually look at these on the computer. But let me know in the comments. Got this car here. Okay, I'm gonna get closer. Get close to the edge. There we go. Now right now there are sirens going off all the way down there. So let me know in the comments if you hear that. There we go. So let me know in the comments below which camera you thought performed the best overall. Galaxy S10 Plus camera, iPhone XS Max camera, or the Pixel 3 XL. Overall, all of these cameras are very good. Some of it may come down to personal preference, but let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching. Peace out.